Hello, my people. Now, well we don't come back again with our Ogbonge information. Yeah, again, it's when BC just reach us now. We just go through internet and they contact some of our correspondents. We just hear say Senator Abiola Ajimobi don't die. No, say we fair hear the rumor last week saying he died. So the daughter come write for Twitter say the papa never died. Say the papa still there alive. Make people know they carry fake information. And we know say in the 6th season, now he's supposed to be the acting chairman. When we say he was supposed to replace Adams Oshomole. And because of that crisis context, then maybe say Victor Gadon can say now he want be the acting chairman for APC. So in the coma and where in for that so now Lagos for that. And now in cardiology hospital for Ikoyi now there if for die this afternoon. And the family just inform media say the man don't buy. And now former senator and a former Oyo State governor. And the man now 70 years old. So you see the reason why Victor Gardon, the acting chairman for APC, called the protest and contest that particular position because he knows say the man will not survive his sickness and the man don't old as well. So and other information with regard the we know say Buhari organized Buhari and Victor Gardon, the acting APC chairman, national chairman, organized meeting today when we say Buhari and other senators and governors when we say the day APC they attend today. So Buhari don't dissolve the National Working Committee. Say they don't do good job. Say they do wuru for what they do, and say they don't too sweat. When it be say this party will just APC will just come collapse like that. So Adams Oshomole matter see they cut as we they give now this ogbonge to read this time of the day. And Adams Oshomole people they would hear say that's why he don't want me Buhari come the meeting. That's why he don't want to organize the meeting since then. So as Gadon enter as the acting chairman, Kokwe organize the meeting. And Buhari going to say the meeting, the National Working Committee, they don't deserve them. Say now caretaker will take over for the time being until they take any further action or till further notice. So the National Working Committee people can say no. How Buhari will just dissolve the like that? Because they will carry the matter go court. They got court go settle the quarrel, the wahala. We say they happen for APC. No, regarding Obaseki matter, we say we know say today na 25th of June and 2020 and the primary election when we say starts this morning, the contestants all of them don't show. And we hear say a lot of them, governor we say they contest with Obaseki, some of them don't step down. And the field don't full. Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium, and then the for the hold right now. And we see they try to get more information on what they have. Though they do live there for Benin City there, but we see they try to get more information and to interview people how they take vote and how they take bid today. From people when we say we don't interview today, from people from local government, we say come for this election, primary election for PDP. Some of them say now Obaseki now they want to vote for. They say Obaseki now be their savior. And Osagi Hamakoto say he don't know how Obaseki will take defeat from the post and the news we read this morning. So more updates will come and we'll try to go live to make sure say we give now all the latest information about the things when we say it they happen for that country, Nigeria. So we're gonna continue to like our video, we're gonna share our video, and we're gonna comment so that we'll get the strength. Take the do waiting when we say we they do. So concerning Senator Abiola Ajimobi, we say that so more updates will they come as we they follow up because some people say that coronavirus like by the man, but we never really confirmed that one. Though Sarah reporter don't report say he don't die, and Daily Independent don say report this evening say the man don kick bucket. My people, na here na we will draw the matter for now, as we dey go back to our live studio, wey be say we'll give na more update as to wetin dey happen for Benin City right now, because everywhere don full, the feed don full. Una well done for now. Take care.